G'day guys, Steve from Darche here, and I'd love to introduce you to our freestanding LED 270-degree awning. We've done a heap of testing, and I mean a heap of testing, to make sure that when we say we're freestanding awning, it is actually truly a freestanding awning. Now we give this a wind rating of 25 to 30 kilometres an hour. It's a huge awning, 11.5 metres squared of coverage, and the shape of it with the piece coming out to the front of the car and then wrapping all the way around the vehicle makes it a really usable shape and one of the best designed 270 awnings on the market. The canvas is a 320 GSM poly cotton ripstop canvas of traditional Darche quality. The new X-shaped rafter arm design is super strong. We've upgraded the hinge system as well to make sure that strength can be blended into the awning itself. And it also gave us the ability to incorporate LED lighting, which can be white, combination of white-orange and a straight orange light, and it's all dimmable from its full brightness right down to a nice soft glow. We've introduced a new mounting bracket for the 270 as well. It's adjustable, which allows for a greater range of heights and therefore a greater range of vehicles that the 270 now suits. So whether you've got a platform or a custom-made rack, whatever it might be, you should be able to adapt our mounting brackets to suit your particular setup. We've made the backing plate a two-piece backing plate, which means that we can make a single-piece transit bag. Greatly reduces the amount of water ingress points that you have in your bag. The backing plate has incorporated on the inside a sail track. Lots and lots of accessories can go into that sail track setup. As with most Darche products, we've thought about the past as well as the future. So the Gen 3 awning is compatible with most of the accessories from the Gen 1 and the Gen 2. The walls fit, for example. The retreat annex fits. Anything that you've got from your old awning will carry through forward to your new awning, and we always try and make that flexibility with our products when we design new things. It's been a long-standing feature of all Darche products that they're designed to be repairable and replaceable for your lifetime. Once a particular component wears out, the unit's not done, you can find all the spare parts you need to repair, upgrade, update your awning to make sure that it can continue on and give you many more years of happy camping. The freestanding 270 awning is fantastic for people looking to get their campsite up to the next level. It provides amazing shade and coverage when you're out in the bush, gives you heaps of protection so that you've got room for your swag, room to sit around and chat, get under there and prepare your lunch and dinner. So for more information, visit our website, darche.com.au. You can get all this information we've just run you through. We hope to see you out in the bush. Cheers guys, appreciate your time.